Hello. This isn't really going to be an onboarding breakdown, but it's not really part of the build something thing either. This is just a really cool product, and I am going to go through sign up for the sake of doing it because it's just a really good example of simple, easy, intuitive. Like there's not really onboarding per se, but I'm going to show you how this thing works. So this landing page is perfect in terms of it shows you exactly what it does. Put your text in here. You're going to push the button, and then it's going to give you watch. So you highlight it, you push the button, it gives you visuals that you can choose from automatically. So let's try it. If it makes me wait or it puts me in beta, oh, okay, it logged me in automatically. So it remembers what I did last time. So here's something from my in progress newsletter, I think, is what I was working on. So broader consumer landscape, this is kind of just making the difference between like tech people are excited about it, they're aware of it, they're using it. Broadly outside of tech, people don't really care about what technology is powering things. They care more about utility. They're maybe hesitant about using it, and they're not sure what to do with that out of the gate. So this is the text I used to generate it. Here's the image. And if I want to go into this, I can actually choose, I believe, if I choose the whole thing, you can save it, you can comment on it, whatever, right? You can actually change things like the entire dynamics of it, the background. This is a little confusing because there's so many elements that they made interactive. But I'm going to grab some text from something else, maybe the same post if I can find it quick. Here it is. Okay, I'm just going to grab a section without really thinking too hard about it where there's Claude gave me like an image for it, and I'm not sure how well it's going to grab the elements. We're just going to test it. I don't actually call it this. So see, it suggested already for the whole thing. I can click on this, it's going to read the text, and it's going to come up with some kind of visual pattern. I love that little animation. And then it's giving some visuals that I can choose from, and I can actually scroll through here, and it's going to get the key elements from it and figure out how to visualize those key elements. Which is pretty cool. They give you a ton of options in here. And not only do they give you a ton of options for how to do it, they give you a bunch of flexibility around how you want to style it. So you can grab this image and basically be ready to go. Not only that, so if you saw there's a style overlay here, you can choose from, this is pulling from like colors that I have in there. You can do more solid. We'll just do something bright for now. And then you can edit all these elements. Just click, change the text, change the icons, whatever you want to do, which is pretty cool. You can make these colored, whatever. So this is called Napkin.ai, and like I said, super simple. The sign up process doesn't even exist, but they give you on free. They give you like a couple of these napkins, which are essentially like endless notebook pages. I think they give you 3 for free. And you can go back to your library and see which ones you're working on or whatever. So like as you use this more and more, I think the utility of it, like you'd want to keep things organized and stuff, but super cool. The styles in here too, you can set your own brand styles. You can choose some of the ones that you like or don't like and get rid of them, right? Like if I want to get rid of all the black and white ones in here or something, I can unchoose those so that it gives me less options. I can work a little bit faster. So check it out, napkin.ai. I think it's open right now for signups. I had to wait like a day or something like that. But it's super cool if you're creating any kind of content. You got to work on a deck. You need a unique visual on the fly, and you don't have a designer with bandwidth to take it on. Super cool product.